Construction progress on Barcelona's new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou, remains a focal point amid the excitement of the Spanish Championship kickoff this weekend. While Barcelona prepares for their opening match against Valencia this Saturday, our attention is firmly fixed on the developments at the new Camp Nou. This week, significant strides have been made with the final coating of the two existing tribunes, setting the stage for the installation of seating. However, work on the field itself has yet to commence. Currently, it serves as a staging area filled with containers and construction materials, as seen in recent video updates. Interior construction, including the players' rooms, conference facilities, and other amenities, is a primary focus. Partial opening deadlines loom, necessitating accelerated progress in these crucial areas. Structurally, the third stand is progressing with the consolidation of its steel framework and reinforced concrete pillars. This phase marks a critical juncture in ensuring the stadium's stability and durability. Meanwhile, rapid advancements are evident in the development of parking facilities, shops, club offices, and other ancillary structures integral to the overall project. Approximately 30% of the project has been completed thus far, with the current phase considered among the most challenging. Optimism remains high, however, that subsequent phases will benefit from streamlined implementation, hastening overall construction timelines for the stadium. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.